Hi everyone, my name is Blaec Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and conversely disable code folding in a Jupyter notebook in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com and I'm inside of a demo project with a Jupyter notebook open simply called Notebook. And what I'd like to do right now is head to the View portion of the menu system, and I'll click on that. And I'll scroll down to the bottom and locate code folding, and you'll notice the two options here, enable code folding and disable code folding. So I'll go ahead and click enable. And here is the really slight change to the UI. So I can click on this caret and you'll notice that it is folded. So I can go ahead and expand that. Similarly, I can click here. And now I'll go back to view and I will disable code folding. And that is a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.